Storage is something every buyer is looking for and can never get enough of. Take half of the stuff out of your closets, then neatly organize what's left in there. Buyers will snoop, so be sure to keep all of your closets and cabinets clean and tidy. As your real estate consultant, my highest priority is selling your house for top dollar in your time frame, hassle-free. If you have any questions or need a referral to any services, then call, text, or email, and I'll respond immediately. Want to win a $25 Amazon gift card? Did you know that every month I sponsor a contest called Fun Day Monday? Every month, hundreds of my clients are invited to enter a drawing to win a $25 Amazon gift card. I send you a quiz question with multiple choice answers. You respond with what you think is right, and then I take all the correct answers, put them in a big bucket, and pull a winner. It's so simple, and it's so much fun. We call it Fun Day Monday. Click the link below to be automatically entered to receive the next Fun Day Monday quiz question. Good luck on your team helping you sell your home.